Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great. Hope you had a good weekend, and welcome to this new video on Solana. We'll talk about everything you need to know. I'll talk a little bit about my potential entries in this and my plans regarding Solana. I already hold quite a bit of Solana, so I'm already positioned, but I'm always open for a good futures trade, of course. So we'll talk about that, but mostly we'll just talk about what I expect from Solana here. In combination of what I expect with the markets. We actually got some relative strength earlier today, or since yesterday, when was the last time we covered it. So that's interesting, because the main level, and that's what we've been talking about since I've been back from vacation on Saturday. The main level to break is this level right here, around the 0.618 fib of this move down, which is around, well, I would say between 160 and 164. That's the main level to break if we really want to get bullish. And now we are getting some indications that we can actually do that. So that's what we will talk about. Let's get right into it. So in general, we already briefly spoke about this yesterday, but in general, Solana was actually fundamentally doing quite well. And when I'm talking about fundamentals, then I usually am talking about total value locked. I think that's still the best measure of network strength. And what you can see there is that the total value locked right now is getting up towards that $11.8 billion level, which the last time we were relatively high, like at 192, the total value locked was at 12.6. It seems to me that there's a bit of a divergence, all right? So usually, like, the total value locked is very correlated with the price of Solana, of course, all right? Because the value that's locked is mostly in Sol coins. But it seems to me like it seems to me that the total value locked is already closer to the total value locked right here than the price is, which means the network is growing and more Sol is being locked on Solana. Excuse me, which is bullish. And then apart from that, what I meant with relative strength is that, you know, Bitcoin has been kind of consolidating here. But then if we look at Solana against Bitcoin, that's actually quite interesting, all right? Because you can see that the main resistance level we've had, or we're at right now, I would say. That's you can quite clearly see it on the chart. It's the gray area. But we're trying to break above that, which is, I think, very, very interesting. Because if we see a break above that, which the last time was the 19th of July, some good things can happen, all right? And it almost kind of feels similar to that scenario. I do think like it's the start of a new week in the markets, so I would still be slightly cautious. But if Solana against Bitcoin breaks out, and Solana is able and is able to break above 162 and 164, I don't really see any reason not to buy. All right, so that's my preferred buy scenario for Solana. If we see that Solana against Bitcoin chart breakout, which it is very close to right now, in combination with just a technical breakout, that's my ideal entry. And then apart from that, you can also see some momentum coming in earlier this morning. So everything looks quite good. I would wait for the breakout either way to enter. It looks like in general, I already told you this before, but in general, I think something like this will happen. Whether that's right now or not, it doesn't really matter to me, all right? It's just that I know that if this happens, I'll jump in if the circumstances are right. Can it happen today? Yes, looks quite good. Will it happen today? I don't know, all right? For now, I think the situation is more of a consolidation, and sure, we could break out, and I think you should be ready for it. But I would assume that we'll just consolidate like this until we get that breakout. All right, so I'll keep you updated on that. I'll probably post about it on X as well. So if you're interested in when I'm trading Solana, consider following me there, or join the Signal group, in which I will definitely share it. But those are my thoughts. All right, so if you do have any questions, let me know. For now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.